We'll now be doing an attempt to repair / repairability test. We'll be using a roof snake. We'll be taking this shingle out. We have damage right here that was marked from the adjustment. So we'll go ahead and start unsealing the shingles. As you can see, the fiberglass is coming through. This is a very old, brittle roof. Let's see. It is busting through the shingle a little bit. All right. Come on. It's already ripped through once. Alright, got it. As you can see right here, it has went completely through the shingle and caused a big rip. That's from the shingle being so old and brittle that it's tarred down too much. So this shingle is damaged. We'll see if we can get another one up. Alright, this nail's come up from it. We'll deal with that later. Got this one out. Alright, one more later. This one's already unsealed. Nope. This is, let's see. This one's going up a little bit. So, let's see, you're good. On this first shingle, we have a rip right here, all the way through the shingle. Right here, we have a tear where it went through, and also right here, it's busted all the way through. Right here, as you can see. So, just unsealing these shingles, we got 3 rips, not to mention taking these nails out, and then to lift this back up and put the nail back in at a 45-degree angle, it's gonna crease these shingles, and you can't cause damage to fix damage, and all of these shingles are getting torn up, uplifting them. So because of that, this repairability test has failed. And you can clearly see on the roof how it has no granule. The fiberglass is coming through. This roof is too old to repair.